here's our peach harvest. Now let's move on to the tomatoes. These tomatoes are ready. And then this strawberry. And then some of these cucumbers. Look at these cucumbers. This one is big. So I harvested like 3 cucumbers. And then I see a bunch of grapes here. So I'll get a bunch of grapes. Here, look at that. This one is ready. And there's a lot more. Those. And then we have more here. Oh, like here, 1 second. And then here. Look at this. More over there. Like this. That one. And then on the side. For now, this one is ready. Actually, more down there, up there. Oh, that one too. I think it's ready. But I'll harvest this one first. Goes to our stash. Should I put this in the middle? My beautiful garden harvest. Beautiful and colorful. I have peaches. These are like southern or donut peaches. Cucumbers, lemons, peppers. Look at this, orange. This is Carmen, but sort of kind of like Anaheim. Looks like Anaheim. Chili. And then I have like blueberries here too. And then different varieties of tomatoes. Cucumbers, and then I think I already said lemons, and then the grapes. Gorgeous peaches. And here are the peaches. I washed them, and then I just need to wipe off the water. Joshua's snacks at school. And then here's what I prepared for his lunch. This is ahi tuna. Just sort of seared ahi tuna. Here is the ahi tuna with rice. And then the peaches. You like peaches, Josh? For your snacking at school. Is almost over. Just 1 week to go.
Where am I gonna stay, Mommy, when I'm in college?
It depends. If you are studying here in LA, say for example USC or UCLA or another school, then you can probably still stay with us and then you can just drive. But if you want to go to the East Coast in New York or Boston or somewhere there, in New England, then you probably have to stay in a dorm or an apartment. Or Maine or New Hampshire if you study there. We don't know yet, so you have to like study really well so you can go to a good school. Sounds good?
Thank you.
You're so boggy. We're here at Whole Foods getting our dinner for my favorite, and then branzino. Maybe branzino. You can have branzino then. I like cassarese. I'm getting cassarese and ziti. What else? Farfalle, rigatoni, orzo, maybe one orzo too.
Yes. Thank you.
Chocolate.
Is that mango?
Adi, the branzino is expensive. I have 2 branzino here, which I'm going to cook both then, or just one? Both. Okay, I'm going to broil this with lemon. So we harvested lemon from the garden too. These lemons. So I am going to use some lemons on this branzino and then broil. I'll use aluminum foil. It's easy to clean up later. And then I'll just spray with oil so it doesn't stick. Use the branzino, butterfly branzino. From the Mediterranean Sea. Just need salt. And then thinly sliced lemon. I'll probably use this one. Let's slice the thinly sliced lemon. I think that should be good. There and there. And then broil. Now let's harvest oregano. These are the artichoke flowers. Look at all these blueberries. I'm going to harvest them later. Over there too. And then I'll show you. These are the fennel flowers. I'm going to show you the oregano that is growing wild. Look at all this oregano. Look at this lily. Here's my oregano harvest. Smells so good. Just garnish this with oregano. Like that. So this is our dinner. Wild branzino, garnished with lemon and oregano from the backyard garden. I'm going to get my antigen test over there at CVS. I'm going to have an antigen test over there at Minute Clinic. I mean at CVS. I'm done with my appointment. Now we are going to, I don't know yet, we are going to have lunch. Where's Pachichi? Oh, Pachichi is here! Hello, Pachichi! I can sit here.
Did you see his sunglass.
Oh wow, you're so pogi naman. That's daddy's sunglasses. We're going to the mall.
Bless you. Now this is for curbside pickup.
We are going for Josh Pizza. This pizza. That's Josh's pizza. That's Daddy's pizza.
Pizza.
Is that your favorite? Josh is having, what are you having, Josh?
I'm having pizza.
Pepperoni and pineapple, and then he's having the mix.
Daddy's having sausage and mixed vegetable.
Artichoke, Kalamata olives.
Kalamata
arugula,
olives,
bell
artichoke.
pepper. Hi, Josh. It's today your first day as a, what level are you now?
I'm freestyle.
You're a freestyler now. Yay! Look at the cup. It's a different cup, right?
Keep on back. 6 counts. Got it? Coming back. Keep back. Keep on back. 6 counts over. So you can Side push. So that. So
Ta-da-da-da! There is Bumblebee. I'm taking a video.
Video.
Yeah. Hello, Bumblebee.
Bumblebee.
Hi, Bumblebee. Hello, there's a cat. Hi. Hi, kitty cat cat. How are you, kitty cat cat? Which handle do you like? It comes with the handle, I think. I don't know which one is body hand. Do you like this door, Josh? Look. Kind of. That's what
It looks too busy to me.
Huh?
It looks too busy to
Too
me.
busy? Okay. Hi, Mimi. Hello, how are you, Mimi? Hi, Mimi. How are you? So cute. Hello, away from the stairs. Hello, Mimi. The Mimi is, when the Mimi falls, it's not going to get hurt because they roll. Hi, Mimi. How are you, Mimi? Look at the. Are you sleepy? Meow. 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 Are you sleepy?